Installation of TMS Web is easy, as yet with any other software product from TMS, they provide an installer. However, there's something that's special to TMS Web, and thus we thought better record a video. Installation of TMS Web is divided into two parts. The first installer installs the TMS WEB Core package. And then, depending on which IDEs you selected, and that are also present on your system, installers for those IDEs are being launched. So here you see the installer for TMS WEB Core on the left side, and on the right you see the installer for Red Studio 10.2 Tokyo. Depending on how many Delphis you have installed in your system, every IDE will get its own installation. Furthermore, TMS WEB Core supports integration of components, web components to be precise, of other products from TMS. For example, right now, FNC UI and XData datasets and clients. You have to install those products in order to see the components in the tool palette. Furthermore, in order to see the components for FNC UI, you will have to install the FNC Core library and the FNC UI pack. Then the FNC UI web components will show up in your IDE as soon as you launch the next web project. XData even requires more packages. You need to install the Business Core library, Sparkle, and XData in order to get all the dataset and XData web components. Be aware, if you're an all-access customer, you will be able to use the TMS Subscription Manager, which handles all those dependencies for you. Be aware that the Subscription Manager not only allows you to keep track of all the dependencies between all the packages, it will also take care of the fact that all the packages that you have installed are up to date. So please use the TMS Subscription Manager in case you're an all-access customer.